In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to set your image or picture as your Google Chrome background in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear in this window. And once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Okay, so once you are being navigated at the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the upper or the top side of it where you can see a plus icon. Tap on it to create a new tab. So please wait until this new tab is being ready for us. Okay, once ready, please navigate to the bottom right side of the screen. You can see there a pencil icon like this. So tap on it so that you can bring up this right pane or the right window, which is the customize Chrome. So in order to set your image or picture as the Google Chrome background here, all you need to do is you need to navigate with this option called change theme. And from here, you can see their default Chrome and upload an image. So you need to proceed with this one, upload an image, tap on it, and eventually this kind of window would open where you can see the file explorer window. So from here, you need to navigate to the location where your specific image or picture has been placed to. In my case, it is being placed at the downloads. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to click on it, and in that way you would be able to see the image or the picture that you would like to set with. Okay, so here you need to select it. Okay, and once you've selected it, click on open, and eventually it would be set here. I mean, your image or picture would be set here as the Google Chrome background in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Again, you need to navigate with the change time, go with upload an image, and from here, navigate to the location where your image or picture has been placed to. Please select it, OK, and then click on Open. And in that way, you would be able to set your picture or image as the Google Chrome background in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Once you're good, you can now close this window as well as your Google Chrome browser and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.